How to get DIN 6701-2 certification in India. If you need help getting DIN 6701-2 certification for your adhesive bonding of railway vehicles and parts in India, we are here to assist you. We offer affordable certification services and are located in India, the Middle East, and Europe. If you want to know more, you can contact Mr. Puneet Sharma. To get DIN 6701-2 certification in India, you will need to follow the following steps. 1. Identify a certification body. The first step to getting DIN 6701-2 certification is to find a certification body that is authorized to perform the certification process. In India, there are several organizations that offer DIN 6701-2 certification services. 2. Prepare your locking system. Before applying for certification, make sure that your locking system meets all the requirements outlined in the DIN 6701-2 standard. This may involve making modifications to your product to ensure that it complies with the standard. 3. Submit an application. Next, you will need to submit an application to the certification body of your choice. The application should include detailed information about your locking system, including technical specifications and test results. 4. Testing and evaluation. Once your application has been accepted, the certification body will carry out a series of tests and evaluations on your locking system to determine whether it meets the requirements of the DIN 6701-2 standard. 5. Obtain the certification. If your locking system is found to be compliant with the DIN 6701-2 standard, the certification body will issue a certificate of conformity, which demonstrates that your product has been certified to the standard. It's important to note that the process of obtaining DIN 6701-2 certification can be time-consuming and may require significant resources, such as personnel, equipment, and testing facilities. However, the investment can pay off in terms of increased market recognition, customer trust, and product sales. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. If you have any requirement for DIN 6701-2 certification, please feel free to contact us.